Hey guys, welcome to Boracay Station 2. We're here by the main road and yeah, walking down the street, going to get some chow. Yeah, we're here at Jollibee. This one is open 24 hours, but we had this for like 2 days now, so we're heading down there to some other restaurants. They supposedly have beer too, so we'll go there. Maybe I'll do a live. And yeah, it's now like 6 o'clock in the evening here in Boracay. They don't have trikes, they have these electric scooters, so the air is more clean. To the port it costs 200 for a scooter, no matter how many the person is. But if only one person, you want to travel somewhere around, Filipino price is 15 pesos. Yeah, so not of pay over 15 pesos. Yeah, okay. We made it to Chimney Cave, Boracay. That's like the one you get in Hungary, in Budapest. So you also have them here. Chimney cakes. Comes. I don't really see the prices, but that's how they look. With rainbow power. Just off of Station 2. If you go towards Station 3 on this main road, on the right side, you can find it. Oh yeah. And here next to Chimney Cake, you also have 101 Sizzlers, which is an affordable caranderia with the Filipino food. Plus you can get beers for 75 pesos. So a more cheaper option than dining at the D-Mall and other restaurants there that are a bit overpriced, to tell you the truth. And yeah, we'll start with a beer and see where the night takes us. So stay tuned, guys. Yeah, still at Chimney Cake Bar. Unfortunately, they do not have Wi-Fi here. The live attempt did not succeed, but they do have a nice prices of beer just behind them. 75 pesitos for San Miguel Pale Pilsen. Yeah, it has a nice view of people, if you like people watching. Many of people from Station 3 going to the mall, Station 2, so they have some nice views. And yeah, we have music, we have beer, but as I said, no internet, so we cannot have it all in Philippines, guys. There's always something missing, you know. But okay, that's a story for another day. So today's video is basically chilling out in the evening on the Boracay Island. Nothing much to do. We still have 2 nights here before we head back to Manila, and I head back to Europe after that. So the Philippine adventure is slowly but surely getting to an end. Yeah, I think Boracay is a nice place to end it. Unfortunately, if you're coming here in February, know that it's an algae blooming season, so the sea will be green and full of green algae. It does give the sea a nice greenish, let's say, taste. But yeah, it's a bit slimy now. Interesting fact, those algae that are blooming here, the green ones, those are good to eat, yeah? So they're very healthy to eat. And the fishermen, local fishermen, they collect them and sell them quite expensively at the local markets, yeah? So if you want to make a buck or two, you can come here and collect those algae. Just joking, but yeah. It's not that bad. There's no algae on the shore, so it only shows like in the sea. And after the initial, let's say 2 to 3 meters, once you cross this algae infested water, the sea is back to normal, so you can basically swim normally after that. Yeah, these are the evening nightlife vibes of Boracay. Not so many people, as I said, since it's not the main season here, but still quite busy because this is the Philippines' most busiest island in terms of tourists and visitors. So it's good music. I'll still try to move because nothing worth recording is coming by. So try to move to another bar if I can find some budget-friendly one with a good Wi-Fi. And then we can make a normal lazy show. Wow. I spoke too soon. As I said, this is the way to the mall. Station 2, so a good point for people watching. By the way, massages here, since I see the massage ladies. Oh, they're just dressed like massage ladies. Anyway, the massages here are like 399, so about 400 pesos, which is similar to other islands here. I believe in Bantayan, I paid 400. So it's the same here in Boracay. At least here by the main road you can find 400 pesos massage, which is less than $10, about 8 or so. I remember previous years it was about 250. But yeah, inflation and stuff, you know, it does. Its thing is, yeah, prices go up, so now it's 400 minimum here on Boracay Island to get a 1 hour whole body massage. Massage only, guys, before you ask me the stupid questions. So yeah. The night sets here after 6 o'clock p.m. And this is the time when the nightlife starts here. People mostly go to the beach bar on the first row. However, I must warn you, the prices could be considered a bit high for the Philippines. Let's just say one beer in front of me, a price for a beer was 250 pesos. The same beer, San Miguel Wilson. So here is 75. And before that, we had another bar with craft beer. So craft beer will set you back here 500 pesos. So about $10 for a craft beer in the Philippines on Boracay Island. Just two bars in front of me where the blue light is there. Yeah. Just after Jollibee, if you're wondering when to get Filipino craft beer. I know. Toots. And this is it from this location. We'll try to switch it up. So see you at the next location. So we decided to stay for dinner. This is sisig, pork sisig with egg and rice. If you don't know what that is, it's better that you don't know, but it's tasty. It's made out of pig scat, yeah? So that's pig scat with rice. Her favorite. Masarap. And sorry people, but we kind of got stuck here with the food and the drinks. So this will be for today's video. And yeah, I'll see you probably tomorrow. Be sure to like the video, share, subscribe. Put me thoughts down in the comments. And until the next video, guys. Tar. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. See you on the next one, guys.